Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete your Facebook account permanently on iPhone after the latest update. So if you want to delete or you want to get rid of the Facebook account permanently, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have simply open the App Store here. In App Store, what you have to do next is you have simply search for the Facebook, and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Facebook app, and here you have simply click on profile. And after clicking on profile, you have to simply click on the settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on account center here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on personal details. In personal details, you will find the option of account ownership and control. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, the two options will be available. The first one is normalization and second one is deactivation or deletion. So if you want to deactivate your account, then you have to simply click on that. So here you have to simply select the account you want to delete it permanently. So you have to simply select the delete account. Delete your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve or content or information that you have shared on Facebook. So you have to make sure about that, and you have to simply click on continue. As you click on continue, if any page it is connected to your profile will also be permanently deleted. So you have to make sure about that, and you have to simply click on continue. Now if you want to what are the reason for that, you can simply select that, and you have to simply click on continue again. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on again continue. And after that, the first one is whether you want to keep the messenger, then you can simply deactivate your account. And after that, you can also download your information, and if you do not want to do it, you have to simply click on continue again. And after that, here you have simply provide your password, and after providing the password, so you have to simply click on continue again. And here is the option available that if you do not change your mind, then you can simply have 30 days that you can simply log in your account back, and your account will be reactivated again. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.